Hello, this is ELB. Let's get back to work. Last time we made sure that when we used a weapon that didn't have an edge on both sides, it would change sides on its own. Well, not on its own, but it would know which side to go to based upon the animation. So you see how when we use this katana, it knows which side to go to. Which is exactly what we want. So, for this episode, I'm planning on working on the exact timing of the attacks and seeing about at least, well, figuring out what's going to work best. Also, I just realized I forgot to make my music play again. There we go. Okay. So, I'll show you what I mean to the best of my ability. By, well, running this again. So, you're going to be able to hear me pressing the button, at least ideally, and you'll see how there's at least a certain cadence to my button presses, but then when I attempt to just make a pause, it's maybe like double the amount of time or something for a button press. So essentially skipping a button press, then the samurai attack isn't going to go as I expect it to. See what I mean? Instead, I have to wait a lot longer than I'd expect. So let's figure that out exactly. I think the main thing I want to do for this real quick is have I'm gonna do this. I realize this isn't exactly what I said I was gonna do, but I am just now thinking, oh, I should probably fix this real quick. Okay. So the exact timing of these attacks is a bit interesting. If we wait longer than 30, than one whole second, then it seems as though it's not quite working right. So it takes 10 steps to get to the resting phase. So if we made this 20 steps, that might feel a bit better. And I think that's all we'll have to do, to be honest. Oh, I forgot to do this. We'll do that. And that should be all we need to do. Oh. There we go. Okay, so dut 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 dut. There we go. That feels alright. I like that. Huh. Sorry, something about this feels off. Like... Yeah, okay. So what I just noticed is that dodges seem like they go way farther than they should. At least when I'm trying to move already. Which implies... Yeah, okay. So... It's not quite how it's supposed to be. Okay, let's take a look at how we're doing the dodging right now. Okay, well, for one thing, I'm going to move the dodge movement. Put it after moving. Actually... Oh, I see. So, okay, so let me actually narrate what I'm thinking here. So, the main problem that I'm looking at right now is the fact that no movement affects the way that the stick controls movement. It doesn't affect the way in which you simply move by any other means. So, tapping the B button changes the no movement. Wait, what the heck? So it makes you dodge, and then we then have the actual dodge movement if dodge is true, which is put into this. So the problem that we run into right now is that there is potentially one step in which the player is dodging and doing their normal movement at the same time. So, with that in mind, I think the only thing I can really do is this. And that should be fine. And where are these timers? Dodge, cooldown, dodge time. Okay, so we then do no moving plus equals 1. At least I think. No moving, yeah. Okay, now that we've done that, here, we'll call that dodge, and then this will be dodge cooldown. So then dodge equals false, and no moving minus equals 1. Okay, let's take a look real quick, see how this feels. Hopefully I didn't screw everything up. I don't know why I did that. Okay, dodging seems fine. There we go. Obviously, dodging is a faster way of moving, but it's what we want, right? So there is one thing I'm thinking now, that we need to be able to set whether or not the player is able to dodge out of an attack. So I'll show you what I mean real quick. So this attack, it's pretty obvious that the player shouldn't be able to dodge out of it because it has this long wind-up time and it has this long cooldown time. However, we're leaving ourselves hanging quite a bit right here. And all the player's doing is holding out the sword. Like, there's no fancy animation, there's no, oh, clearly they have to have this whole wind down time after the attack. It's just, they swung the sword. So, I think it would make sense for animations to determine whether or not the player is allowed to actually dodge during any of the parts of their animation. So, we have the attack template, our 4 essentially test attacks. Let's add even more crap onto them. Okay. Oh, disallow. Var created sword id dot disallow dodging equals true. Okay, that's all we need to really add. Let's add this to the rest of these. So we're disallowing dodging in all of them. We are disallowing dodging in the windup and then the actual attack. However, we're not going to disallow dodging here. So part of the reason I'm doing this is, well, largely because this is sort of how it's set up in Devil May Cry. In Devil May Cry, you have these attacks with a long recovery time. However, they don't stop you from dodging in that recovery time, which allows you to, I know that there's a term for it, like animation break or something along those lines. In any case, that's what we're doing. That's what we're allowing the player to do. So if the player needs to get out of a dodge or an attack, all they have to do is dodge out of it. So, oh, false. That. Cool. Now let's fix you here. Okay, so it's not going to be in there. But it will be in here. Or will it? Oh, there we go. I was right. Or was I? Not quite. Okay. No, not there. Is it in state change? I think it's in state change. So creator ID dot. Is it just no dodging? Oh, come on. So I'm going to do can dodge, and I'm going to replace it with no dodge. Or no dodging. Oh, the sun's coming out. It was stormy, thundery for a little bit not too long ago. Okay, so we've replaced no dodging. Need. Oh. Okay. Oh, hello. We are gonna be... Let's just remove that, actually. Okay. Okay. This ensures the player can dodge or not dodge depending on the animation. Cool. 1. Now we just put you there, and there we go. So we now have one small problem. If we were to go and test this right now and try to dodge in the times when we're allowed to dodge, it would not destroy our weapon, essentially. So, well, so that's what we gotta do. So, if creator id dot no dodging is not equals 0, then actually, and device 0, the button will be GP face 2. We'll do instance destroy. And I think that's all we have to do, honestly. Okay. Oh. So, left stick active, not set before reading it. Really? I mean, really? Hold on. Okay, what about now? Well, that's not really what I was expecting. The stick is just not doing anything. I'm able to dodge. It's the only movement I can do. Okay. Oh. But that's just not right. Why do I have so much of this stuff still? I mean... So the string will be just string no dodging. That's all it'll be. Really? I mean, I'm gonna fix that in a moment, but still. Okay, I feel like I must have missed something. So what I'm just looking for here real quick is whether or not there's some other place where this happens, essentially. Only one spot, okay. So disallow dodging should work. Well, I guess I'll figure that out in a moment. For now, I'm gonna really quickly fix that bug that we had a moment ago. This one. So let's see. Let's take an actual look at this. So it's simply the select left stick active thing. Does left stick active ever have any other state? I guess not. Look at that. Let's do this real quick. There we go. Okay. Then left stick active equals false, whether or not the left stick is being used. Okay. Cool. Also, real quick, I'm going to change one other thing. I'm going to make it so that we can full screen this game. There we go. This is really bothersome. Oh, I see. So, we're gonna do this real quick. If dodged equals true, then we'll do all these. Okay, let's take another look. Really? I thought that fixed it. Okay, well... Well, I must be doing, a lot wrong, obviously. But the question is what? So, disallow dodging should be working. Disallow dodging. I mean, did I just spell it wrong somewhere? Okay, I'm not looking in the script. Yeah, so it should be there twice. So it should be no dodging. No dodging, once again. So what did I do wrong? Okay, well... I had to have done something. We're not even able to turn right now. My goodness. Okay. Instead, I'll try this. I don't know, I doubt that'll change anything, but something's screwing up. Oh. Well, that was not how that was supposed to work. Okay, we still have this problem where no dodging is not changing. Sorry, I should have pointed that out. So, we're seeing it go to -1 for a brief moment, like a single frame. It's acting as it should when we're just doing our normal dodging. But what the hell is happening? It's not like... Creator ID isn't being changed anywhere. It's only in state change that we have this happening. You know what I bet it is? I'm just now remembering this. Look at that! I completely forgot about this. Okay. So, I'm an idiot. That's all it is. Forgetting my own code. There we go. Replace that with 0. Do var created sword dot. There we go. Was that in there? That was in there. Okay. Took me way too long to remember this was here. Constantly changing all these animations is fun. Did I miss that one? I did not. Okay, let's give this another test. Beautiful. Not set before reading. What? Very created sword, not set before. So. But disallow dodging was set. But it was set. Okay, let's try that one more time and see what the error was again. Okay, yeah, Our error. Let's actually copy it into Notepad real quick. Fair created sword was set. I swear it was set. Fair created sword dot creator ID equals argument 0. I mean, oh. There we go. That's all it was. Forgot the ID. On all of them. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Let's try this again. That feels quite nice, to be honest. Oh. Yeah, I like that. We're able to dodge out of it if necessary. Okay. Things feel really good right now. I really like this. It's been about 44 minutes. Is there anything else I really want to do with this right now? There's nothing I can immediately think of. So I think I'm going to call this good for now. So in summary, what we did today was we made it so that we were able to dodge out of attacks. What else? What the heck did we start with? I cannot remember what we started with. Oh, we started with that timing bit. There we go. With the getting the combo timing to feel a lot better. And yeah, I think that's mostly it. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.